Hola, señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. First of all, as usual, report your attendance here, and then you have actividad inicial. It says go to the photo. Let's click on the photo, takes you right here, and it's asking you a question. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está? And we should be familiar with that question now, but if we are not, it means where is it? And then it says answer in a complete sentence in Spanish. ¿Dónde está el lápiz? And I gave you a hint of how the structure should be. So, of course, here is going to go a way to say the location of the pencil. So you're going to look at the pencil, where is it? And then I give you the other word, so you'll be able to build a sentence. Hopefully, you'll be able to do it. Your video is going to be here. And today, I will introduce chapter 2B. In this chapter, we will learn how to describe a classroom, indicate where things are located, talk about more than one object or person, understand cultural perspectives on school, and we also learn how to use I and está. Let's see what the word for today. Today, you're going to complete audio actividades 1 y 2, capítulo 2B. They are right here. For the actividad, you're going to put your last name, your name, and then I put a picture here and an audio. As usual, I put the audio here, but if it doesn't work in the form, it's always in the plan. So you don't, if it doesn't work, sometimes it doesn't work for some reason. You're going to listen, you're going to select the right. This is very, very easy, and we are going to go over the answers after you answer them. So that is it. And that's all the activities you have for today. But let's go over the book. So here is the objectives: to read, listen to, and understand information about the classroom and where objects are located. So you have this guy whose name is Enrique. Hola, me llamo Enrique. Aquí está mi sala de clases. Sala de clases, this is the sala de clases, that's the classroom. It's called sala de clases, or sometimes it's called salón de clases. Son las 9 y los estudiantes están en la clase de español. So it is 9 and the students are in Spanish class. I know it sounds different in English because you don't really say that, but that's what it says literally. And they're indicating that the students are already in class, and here is the time, las 9. And it says, hay muchos estudiantes en mi clase. That's more common. There are many students. There are. This I is pronounced I, no hey, but I. And it says that there are many students in the class. ¿Cuántos estudiantes hay en tu clase? Now it's asking you, and how many students are there in your class? Now we are going to practice using I and using están. I, están. Okay? The difference is the I means there is or there are, and then están is the verb to be, indicating location. In the next page, we have another example, but in this one is giving us the location of the thing. So in this one, you're going to use está or están, if it's plural, always. La hoja de papel, we find la hoja de papel aquí, está debajo del bolígrafo. Aquí está el bolígrafo. Other words that we're going to be using a lot is aquí, that means here, or allá, that means over there. Aquí, allá. And there is also a modification that says allí, that is probably over there, but a little closer. So, but we're going to mainly use aquí, here, allá, over there. Okay, and it says, la hoja de papel está debajo del bolígrafo. Aquí está el bolígrafo. El bolígrafo está encima de la hoja de papel. So, la hoja de papel debajo, el bolígrafo encima. El ratón, ¿dónde está el ratón? Aquí. El ratón está al lado del teclado. El teclado, el ratón. La bandera está detrás de la computadora. Aquí está la bandera, detrás de la computadora. Y la silla está delante de la mesa. And I went forward to the vocabulary because I saw that they removed a word that was obsolete. That it was something that when they started producing computers and we use, but it's not there anymore. So we're all good. Okay, so that's all we're doing for today. We're gonna be talking during class, so connect. I'll see you later. Adios.